Hello friends, in this session we shall learn calculation of due date of a user's bill of exchange. Friends, a bill of exchange can be user's bill or a demand bill. Demand bills are those bills which are payable on demand, and user's bills are those bills which are payable after some time on due date. Hence, the question involving calculation of due date arises only in case of user's bill of exchange. The rules relating to calculating due date are according to Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. According to these rules, there are 4 different situations involving calculation of due dates. The first situation is when we are required to calculate the due date from date of bill. Second, when calculation is to be made from date of presentation of the bill. Third, when calculation is required to be made from date of acceptance of the bill by the person who is to pay it, called drawee. And fourth situation, when no date is given. It is simply stated as to so many days after date. Which date, that is not mentioned. So according to Negotiable Instrument Act, which guides calculation of due dates, there are 4 different situations. 1, when we calculate from date of bill. Second, when we calculate from date of presentation made of bill of exchange to the drawee for acceptance. Third, from date of acceptance by the drawee. And fourth, when no date is given. Let us see this example. Bill of exchange dated July 12, 2017, presented for acceptance on July 18, was accepted by drawee on July 20, and it is payable after. Now, it is payable after 2 months after. So 2 months after it can be date of bill, or 2 months after date of presentation, or 2 months after date of acceptance, or it can be simply mentioned payable 2 months after date. Now we shall calculate the due dates on the basis of this example for all the 4 situations. So here we have to make the calculation first from date of bill. So it is payable 2 months after date of bill. So if that is the question, that payment is to be made after 2 months from date of bill, then how we shall make the calculation? First of all, we shall take the reference date. Here, reference date means the date from which the calculation is to be made. Since we have assumed that first we are going to calculate from date of bill, so we take date of bill here. So July 12, 2017 is date of bill. It is payable 2 months after. So we add 2 months to this date. So it becomes 12th September. Before payment of user's bill of exchange, 3 days of grace are available. So we add 3 days of grace. And this is the due date. 15th September is the due date of this bill when it is payable 2 months after date of bill. So it was first situation. Now let us go to second situation. If the question is it is payable 2 months after date of presentation. So date of presentation. Now, date of presentation is July 18, but according to rules specified under Negotiable Instrument Act, when calculation is made with reference to date of presentation, the reference date shall be taken as date of acceptance. So instead of taking July 18 as the reference date, we are taking July 20th as date of reference. So 20th July, add 2 months, it becomes 20th September, add 3 days of grace. So due date shall be 23rd of September. So this is the precaution we have to taken whenever we are asked to make calculation with reference to date of presentation. The reference date shall be taken as date of acceptance. Now, third situation, when we have to calculate with reference to date of acceptance. So date of acceptance is July 20th. We take reference date as July 20th. We have 2 months to go. So this is the date, 20th of September. 3 days of grace we take. We add these 3 days of grace. Hence, the due date is 23rd of September. Now, last thing, when no date is given, it is payable 2 months after date, if simply that is mentioned. Friend, when simply it is mentioned that payable 2 months after date, nothing is given from which date. In that case, the reference date will be the date of bill of exchange. So here the date of bill of exchange is July 12th. So we take the reference date as July 12th. We add 2 months. It comes out to 12th September 17. We add 3 days of grace. So it comes 15th September 2017. That is how we calculate the due date. After calculation of due date, on certain occasions, it is possible that this due date falls on a holiday. A holiday under Negotiable Instrument Act. So whenever the due date falls on a holiday as per Negotiable Instrument Act, then what has to be done? So then this rule has to be followed. When due date is holiday, then the payment shall be made on next preceding business day, not succeeding business day, preceding business day. For example, if we calculate due date as January 26, which happens to be a holiday, then payment shall be made on January 25th, not January 27th. So whenever this due date falls on a holiday, then payment shall be made on next preceding the previous business day. For January 26, it will be made on January 25th. Well friends, I'm sure you will be benefited by the contents of this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.